Sir, pwede ako dito, sir? Okay lang. Sige lang ako. Coach. Ayan, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat and welcome back to our live. Isa na namang basketball game na naman ang ating masasaksiyan dito sa City Arena sa lungsod ng Manila. Ayan, this is the championship game sa ating 13 under division dito sa Junior MPBL Pocket League Season 3. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at sa pag-share ng ating live. Maya-maya magsisimula na tayo. This is the battle between Makati Best XSPO versus the GTU Arrows ng 13 under. Good luck, boys, and good luck from both team. Ayan, hadal tayo. Let's go! Good luck from both teams.
Supportahan po natin ang championship ng division na ito. Salamat po. Season 3 South Division Finals between SXPO versus TP Heroes.
Championship game between these two teams. First ball para sa GTU Arrows. Good rebound by number 5. Enriquez, jump shot is good. Round 2 for Enriquez. Spin move. Out of bounds. Wala rito ng Makati Best. Number 4. Paso Fenomeno. Fenomeno up and under. For Fenomeno. DK. Manahan. There's a foul. Number 3, no good. And out of bounds. Oh, correction, it's a foul. 9-second shot clock to shoot. Bola ng GTU. Nasa corner. DK Manahan. Basket for DK Manahan. Fenomeno. Pass to Zaraspe. Zaraspe drive and score. By Zaraspe. 6-2 ang ating talaan. Bounce pass. Sevilla. Pass to Liao. Kick out to Manahan. DK drive, kick out. Liao, floater, basket is good for Liao. 6-4 ang ating talaan. Number 5, up and under, no good. Rebound by number 6. But there's a jump ball. Same ball tayo. Bola pa rin dito ng Makati Best. Time remaining 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Zaraspe, cross, step back to rim. Oh, in and out. Rebound by Fenomeno. Liam up and under and gets the foul. On the free throw area, number 34, Liam Fenomeno. First shot is good. Paso Fenomeno block by Reyes. 8-second shot clock to or 1-second shot clock to shoot. Or 8-second shot clock rather. Cross-court pass, Liao, no. Stop and pop, no. Rebound by Liao. Pass to DK. Manahan. To Ciencia. Basket. For Ciencia. Down by 2. Zaraspe. Setting on the play. Pass to Liao. Jump shot short. Rebound by Sevilla. Pass to Ciencia. DK. Sidestep. Kick out. Number 3 for 3. No. Rebound. Liao with a putback. Ay, Liao. Tabla tayo sa 8. Zaraspe. Setting on the play. Zaraspe, Hesi. Kick out. Enriquez. Pass to Zaraspe. Zaraspe to Phenomenal. Oh, and steal. Oh! Steal again by DK. Manahan drive. No, walang tawag. Rebound by number 6. Outlet pass to Zaraspe. Zaraspe derecho and gets the foul by Liao. First shot is good. Second shot for Zaraspe. Oh. And a rebound by Enriquez. Zaraspe back to Enriquez from the corner 3. No. Out of bounds. Time out. Ayan, shout out. Cheer squad, shout out. Dwight Babagay and their company. Huddle. Yung Makati Best Expo. Ball game. Official score is 9-8. 1 point lead for the Makati Best. Bola rito ng GTU. Number 5. Number 5. Number 25, nabitawan. Pinagay kay Liao. Floater, miss. And a rebound by Fenomeno. Liam. Number 5, binigay sa corner. Jump shot is good. Manahan, miss. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 6. There's a foul. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 34 seconds. Bola rito ng Makati Best. drive and gets the foul. First shot is good for Sencha. Pastoleao nakasagot ang GTU. There's a foul. Rebound ng GTU. Out the pass. Messi, number 25, spin, drive, and score. The GTU. Kick out. 4-3. No. Rebound by number 30. Number 13, nagmamadali. Drive, basket. Same favor, lamang na ang GTU Arrows. Number 23, drive and score. Paulit sa isang lamang. Balik ang kalamangan sa Makati Best. Number 25. Kick out to Sencha. Fake. Nabitawan. And steal. Double. Time remaining 1 minute and 33. Timeout, GTU Arrows, official score 17-16 in favor of the Makati Best. SPO. Back to the ball game. Ngayon ba? Ngayon malam dito? Nice bounce pass. Oy, that's Almeida. Jake. And out of bounds. Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. No good. Isa pa. Wala pa rin. There's a foul. Umalis ka na doon. Umalis ka. Mas ka. Bagay, dito pwede naman dito. On the free throw area, number 18. Oh, no good. Last 1 minute and 1 second. Second shot para kay number 16. Basket. Tabla tayo sa 18. Jake Almeida! With the dim siguro. Oh, munti ka na magawan. Ay na Makati. Number 8 and gets the foul. De La Cruz on the free throw area. First shot miss. Second shot, no. Rebound by Sensa. Number 28. Ivan Meneses. That's number 42 to number 23. Too strong. And rebound by number 28. And a steal. Number 8, Hesse. Oh, and a steal ng GDU. End of the first period, Fisher score 22-18 in favor of the GTU Arrows. Ayan, shout out. Ang mga maingay dito sa aking gilid. Sila Dwight Babagay and company. Alright, end of the first period, 22-18. Lamang ang GTU Arrows ng 4. Ano ako? Kaya may dual. Okay, second quarter tayo. Kailangan dalawa cellphone. Monitor. Back to the ball game. Let's go, Makati Best. And shout out. Kila Mama John Barreto. And kila Idol Yani Barreto. And sayang, hindi nakalaro si Yani. At sa susunod, magkikita rin tayo. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtitiwala. Alright, here we go. Back to the ball game. GTU ball. Number 25, no. Rebound, catch and shoot. Basket. For GTU. Fenomeno. Pass to Zaraspe. Back to Liam. Biligay. Cross court. Villanueva. Jam shot. No. Rebound by DK. Manahan. Pass to Manahan. Stop and pump. In and out. Rebound again by DK. Manahan. Pass number 3. Oh, no good. Rebound by Jake. Almeida block. Rebound by Zaraspe to Fenomeno. Liam with a spin. Back to Zaraspe. Zaraspe, what an extra pass. Villanueva with a basket. Mabasa apat ang lamang ng GTU Arrows. 24-20. Number 3, pass to DK. The number 3 to DK, pass to Liao. Binigay sa corner. Short rebound ng Makati Best. Zaraspe. Outlet pass. Enriquez for 3. No, Fenomeno. Too strong. Rebound ng GTU. Number 3, Lakaya, pass to Almeida. Assist by Lakaya. 26-20. Up by 6 ang GTU Arrows. Villanueva. Pass to Zaraspe. Too strong. Rebound. Villanueva. With a putback. Taba ulit sa apat ang lamang ng GTU Arrows. Manahan. Pass to Jake. Binali sa ere. No. Rebound by Fenomeno. Pass to Zaraspe. Zaraspe nabitawan and out of bounds. Time remaining 7 minutes and 7 seconds.
Shot clock is at 20 seconds.
Fenomeno. Oh. Manahan. No good. Wala pa rin. Number 30 with a putback. Lumalaki ang kalamangan. Let's go. Ng GTU. Makati Best. Oh, but there's a foul by Lakaya. Oh, sorry, that's number 28. De La Cruz. Remaining time 6 minutes and 36 seconds. Bounce, same ball. Fenomeno up and under, too strong. Rebound by Villanueva, gets the foul. Russell Villanueva on the free throw area. Shout out din kay Ma'am Christine Almeida is watching. Basket for Russell Villanueva. Out of bounds. White ball. Oh, and a steal. There's a foul. Sencha for 3. No. Rebound number 13 gets a foul. So on the line, number 30, shooting for 2. Wala! Rebound ng Makati Best. Outlet pass. Number 6, drive, miss, rejection. No good pa rin. Makakuha ni Fenomeno. Fenomeno, no! There's a foul. Time remaining 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Ayan, shoutout po sa mga nanonood natin live si Ma'am Danica Soto. And syempre, maraming salamat din po kay Ma'am Joanne Barreto at sa ating mga parents. Hello po, magandang umaga. Basket, ang kanyang first free throw. Second shot for Liam. Fenomeno. Basket. 2 for 2. 29-26. Down by 3. Almeda, what an extra pass. Number 30 with a finish. 31-26. Balik sa 5 ang lamang ng GTU. Number 5, spin move. Drive, too strong. Rebound. Fenomeno. No. Another rebound, but there's a jump ball. Bola rito ng GTU Arrows. Almeda, handoff to Sencha. Number 28, De La Cruz from the corner, short. And another foul for Makati Best. And let's go, Makati Best. Ayan. Shooting the line, number 30. Second shot. 33-26. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. There's a foul. Steal by GTU. Number 30. Sencha and 1. Basket count and 1 for Sencha. Bonus free throw for a 3-point play for Sencha. Time out muna rito ang Makati Best ex-SPO. Natin ang handle ni Coach D. Back to the ball game. Bola rito ay ng Makati Best SPO. Russell Villanueva to Zaraspe. Oh, sorry, that's number 8. 28 to 36. Sensha, kick out. Almost a steal. Number 28, pass to Jake. Steal. Oh, and a steal. Phenomenal. Oh, another steal for GTU. Bounce pass. What an extra pass to Sensha. Miss. Number 30, De La Cruz. Sorry, that's Meneses with a putback. Lumalaki na ang kalamangan ng GTU Arrows. 38 to 28. Oh, Russell will recover. Russell to Liam to Russell, but there's a foul. Okay, shooting the line, jersey number 2, Russell Villanueva. Good. Mabasa walo lamang ng GTU Arrows. Number 28. Sevilla to Almeida and 1. Basket count plus a foul for Jake Almeida. On the shot for Jake. Basket. 41 to 30. Oh, there's a foul. Isa on the serve. First free throw. Basket. ball. Russell. Ball, dribble. Two minutes and 7 seconds. Almeida miss, rebound, let's go. Oh, and a steal. Steal by Russell. Number 18. Oh. And a putback for Liao. Oh, sorry, that's number 28. Lakayan, miss. Here comes the Makati Best. Number 18. Oh, block. Side step, basket. One minute and 12 seconds. GTU Arrows basketball. Almost a steal, pero naka-recover. DK. Liao, miss. Another rebound by DK. There's a foul. Manahan. First free throw is good. Remaining time, last 54 seconds. Manahan. Basket. 54 seconds. Both teams under penalty situation. Ta-attack ito si number 23. Miss. Another rebound. Villanueva kick out to number 5. In and out. Rebound by DK. Manahan. Nakalusot. Lakaya. Oh, miss. Steal. 28 seconds left. Out of bounds. Same ball. Technical for unsportsman behavior ang ating Makati Best. Lakaya, punish shot. No. Last 25 seconds. Bola ng ating Makati Best, XPO. Kick out. Over 3. No. What a nice reverse layup for Russell Villanueva. Last 2 seconds. Stepping on the line. Bola rito ng Makati Best. Two seconds. 2, 1. Tira. Villanueva. No good. And that's the end of our first half. Official score 37-43 in favor of the GTU Arrows. Alright, magkakat muna tayo for the meantime at magbabalik para sa ating second half. Yan, muli maraming salamat po kay Ma'am Joanne Barreto at sa kanilang sa family po nila. Ayan. Maraming pong salamat. Magbabalik tayo for our second half. And pag gusto niyo pong manood ng replay, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Ayan, pa-search na lang po. Magbabalik tayo for the second half.